Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python Challenges. The next one is called Symmetric Difference. Symmetric difference is defined between two different sets, and it means the items that exist in either, for example, set M and set N, but they don't exist in both of them. We are given two sets and we should calculate their symmetric difference. Alright, the first line is the size of first set. We don't need it. I write a simple input. We are going to ignore this line. Another one is the items in the first set. So we call it A, and A is equal to input dot split. This is a list up to this moment, but since we need to convert it to a set, I write map integer, so all of the items will be integer numbers, and after that we convert it to a set. We repeat the same stuff, so I copy and paste it, and the next one is called, for example, set B. Alright, we have two sets. Now we should find the symmetric difference. Well, for finding a symmetric difference, one simple way is to wait a second. For example, I can open MS Paint. I want to calculate symmetric difference between these two sets A and B. Well, symmetric difference is this section plus this section. So I can calculate the union of these two sets. Union means 1 and 2 and 3, and then I can remove the part 2 from it, so the remaining will be 1 and 3, which are the symmetric difference. Let's come back here. Let's write it. We'll create a variable and call it symmetric difference, and it is equal to A dot union B minus A dot intersection B. Alright, then we should sort it, so we convert it to a sorted list. I write down symmetric difference is equal to sorted of symmetric difference, and in the end we print it. So I write down for x in symmetric difference, print x. Alright, let's run the code. Looks fine. Let's submit the code. All of the test cases are correct. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.